Driving is about looking, seeing as much as possible around us. We drive with our eyes. Our eyes provide three types of visions: central vision, fringe or focal vision, peripheral or side vision. Central vision covers only about 3 degrees of our visual field. Central vision allows us to make very important judgments, like estimating distance and understanding details in the path ahead. Central vision is also known as straight-ahead vision. It helps us in reading signs, targeting skills, and establishing a visual lead or direction. Peripheral vision is not as sharp as central vision, but it is more sensitive to light and motion. Events like cars entering our field of vision from the side, or warning lights from ambulances, police cars, and other emergency vehicles are all observed using peripheral vision. Fringe or focal vision is used to judge depth and position, which provides information about objects close to the travel path and lane position. We use our fringe vision to check reference points and detect changes in our rearview and sideview mirrors. Fringe vision also helps us see the roadway without looking down. Depth perception is the ability to judge distance between yourself and other objects. It takes both eyes to judge distance between objects. We use depth perception when approaching other vehicles, turning, merging, or passing other vehicles. At higher speeds, your field of vision is narrowed. Drivers have less time to make decisions. In another video, we will cover strategies for using our eyes more effectively when driving.